Hello, this is Matt Karasek. I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to have students subscribe to your calendar so that whatever you put on your calendar, they will automatically see on their Google Calendar. That way they don't have to check your website, they can actually just check their calendar and see all of the different classes. So the first thing you need to do is be logged into your Google Apps account, and on your calendar, so Google Calendar, what you'll notice is when I hover over these different classes or calendars, because you can set up more than one calendar, so you can set up calendars for each class, you'll see this drop down menu button. So I'm going to click that button and I'm going to click Share this calendar. Once I do that, the first thing I need to do is make it public. And that is true whether you have students subscribe or whether you put it on your website. You need to make it public. Otherwise, your calendar on your website will be blank for students. So you need to make it public. I would not worry about this. That's just sharing only free or busy information. You can share everything. Once you have done so, you can go to calendar. Excuse me, you have to save it. Save. Go back to share calendar, sorry. So apparently it brings you back once you save it. So share this calendar again. Go to calendar details this time. And down below you'll see things that you're probably not used to seeing. What you're going to look at is the iCal. What this is it's a web page basically, or a URL link to your calendar. So if I click on that, I'm going to actually copy this URL. So I'm copying. Now, once I've copied that, I'm now going to go to my web page. So here's my web page. Here's my calendar. And you'll notice that I've already done this. What I'm going to do is edit my page so they can see my calendar on my web page, but I'm also going to allow them to see it on their Google Calendar. So I'm going to edit my page. And what I've done is I just typed out, if you'd like to subscribe to this calendar, comma, click here. And I've taken the click here, the words click here, and turned them into a link. Okay, to do that, so let's say I want to make this a link, I just click link, and now web page or web address, and then I would put in the URL. You'll notice I've already done that, so here is the same thing that I just copied from my calendar, and I pasted it in. So again, whoops, excuse me. So if I wanted to change it, I could put it in here. So I just copied and pasted in the link to this URL. Okay. So now, once a student clicks this button, as you probably noticed, when I clicked this link, it downloaded onto my calendar already. So there's how you would have students subscribe to your calendar. So whenever you change or put in something on your calendar, oh, and by the way, you have to save, sorry. Once you've done that, they can either go to your class or it'll automatically show up on their Google Calendar, their personal Google Calendar. Or another way you can do that is by sharing that link, so again that copied URL, and emailing it to your students if you so choose to do that. I think the quickest thing would be to just make a link, that way students can click on it and it automatically downloads to their calendar. If you have any questions, feel free to email me at mkarasek@apps.district833.org.